In a join this broadcast with a play card every year, justice for Ekehit and the gods. But what kind of share button? You other go, you share this video. Share this video, share this video. Share this video, share this video. Enough is enough. Enough is more than enough. Enough is more than enough. Well, can you different guy? Yeah. Ọwụlụ na onwe onye ya ekwu okwu gbara ha na-ezu ga-abịa n'ikwu okwu. Yeah. Justice for Ekehit without board would day justice for Ekehit. He will get day iyi abroad na network bidoro ewuyala. Network bidoro ewuyala ben. You want to go? You know, even cool. He would play card though. They say that need the justice for Ekehit. Or need the if they say Ekehit, choose the afancation where you will get boy, you will get boy, Nkatogo, you will get boy. The use na keep us. No operation we don't get the one suffer. We believe to a home now the gods can you sitting there. We see who know the gods upon the hammer and the gods and upon a more and more. However, who know? We see what. All the time on this broadcast, share this video. I have something more to say about Akwa Okija. Remember I said it, but they thought I was joking. I said it, but they thought I was joking. If by now you are still thinking that Mezu go Global TV was also go no now watch it, you must be joking. Now, if by now now the kind of audience I commanding at this page, this page may not necessarily be giving us money, as it is not even the main priority why this page came into existence in the first place. You want to go? But if you don't know it today, that when we talk or when we speak in this page, necessary authorities and people are paying attention. Did you hear the news that Okija Shrine has been sealed? Did you hear the news that Okija Shrine has been sealed? Did you hear that news? Are you going to think back now and remember the day I made a video and I stated in that video where say no nando Okija actually rectify or ulaka handle this sad news and bad news nesi na Okija akajofonka ewuli na road no nando Okija actually iji aka we handle here that na alusi Okija survival Chris Nwabweze Gige administration, that there may be a government that will come on board and Alusi Okija will not survive it. When I said it, a lot of people thought I was just talking. They thought I was just talking. Are you convinced now that this page is not commanding the kind of audience that you can Underestimate Ezugo Global TV at your own peril. When we speak, the necessary authorities listens. You want to go? I said it here. No one will handle that bad and sad news all in the name of Akajiofogugu. That they survived Chris Ngige administration when Okija Shrine was invaded. I will call everybody nearby who and they got to now you ma only Ogugu. She called her Chani in a one hako ana one Habuja. Kill ever. After some time, they started again. Habido Ziye and Kebwa, we bido ye ne born and do that, we poor. Nalu mana, Nalu nina, Alu Poma, Ndoki Jamichilono, or ne befa. No, but since I appear na city. Mokeke, Mokafo. No, so I said it. No will government ya bagota. Now see Okija will not survive. Remember there is something I said. Oh, will even put that day. Ask them. The government may seize that place and use it to build either a teaching hospital or any government facility that do more beneficial to the people of Okija. And they be in that environment. One a go, which is going to the government has said to go off and see Okija. And I hope as many people as many people as possible. Teach those guys a bitter lesson so that they will know no matter how they mess up with. Teach those guys a bitter lesson of their life. How we can water. Nala, in our Wiala, brought some good monopoly over in Wiala. How can you sit down one place, clear money in the jail to work? No, they declare your own of people. Even when you Zulu it has to take a competent court of jurisdiction to pronounce a judgment on that person. I made a video that day. Where no mweli wunu na ada. Ba ino na okwa ose ni membubo. No le ba be mmadu ibe. No le ba sentence ye mmadu to onwu. Ohoso nuru sentence ye to onwu. Nuru sentence ye na family and generation ye to onwu. And then even for the government they ma to mmadu nga life imprisonment. Onya anwo. Sometimes government dey use ndị nwe mmadụ ozu ka ha bụrụ je nie mana ụnụ nwa na-ekwu na ụnụ na-egbu zọrọ ụmụ ozu onye nyere authority. Who gave you that authority? Unu wee extend their alụ ụnụ to the point of iburu that mediocrity pụta na Facebook openly na Facebook ụwa niile na-edebe bịa na awere ala edewe unu ndu unu bịa na awe basi anya or in the name of unu na-egbu omenala unu na-emegbu onwe omenala arụrụ ana mgbe jụụ na ajụjụ wee sị ụnụ aka ji ofe ụnụ na-aza kelee onye nyere ụnụ ọtọriti ebee ka ụnụ jide ọfọ ụnụ ji ekpe ikpe ebe ụnụ ji disem ọfọ wee na-arụ arụrụ ana. Like, is there anything legal in illegality? Is there anything like share this video? Share this video because this video is going to set another record today. Adam Ekwifa dey made a page here. It is only you who is taking what we are doing here for granted. It is only you. If you take what is happening here for granted, what we are saying here for granted, remember that before I even finish even the book. Remember that Nama won go Matthias Nandot. They should get ready and prepared because the next hand and will of justice is pointing towards their direction. I know they are going to take what I am saying for granted. Matthias, Matthias Mazidibia, here the light of Africa. You people should get prepared. The package that is coming for you people will even be more than this package the likes of AKDT had received now. Take this information for granted. You know what I go? I said it. I cautioned the people from Okija Shrine. Wow, you people should behave yourself. You are overdoing it, and you are behaving as if we are living in a lawless country. In a lawless country. You people you are crossing the boundary. Authority on Facebook, that video alone is enough. Because because now they equal the court. Court recognize him. But bisre do ife do tua o ife do tua me je buonya ibuonya bulu gaba ibuonya to utozue o ife kuleku no so that na mmadu sere ni je gworo ya ogu iworo ogu buoye ayeji ga we pe ipe mana nke kuleku no we fa yeji we jide yo. I said it. But if you problem one, some of you, it impacts happen do so obvious. You what I go? It impacts happen do so obvious. Or either they prove that he who the gods want to destroy, they first made mad. Clearly, that is the case of some of you. Very clearly. You what I go? That is the case of some of you. That is the case of some of you. Ụfọdụ n'ime unu dachara iberibe nke dị so obvious, and ebe mfụrụ ya ewu n'ụmụ ofeke na ụmụ isi akpụ niile asịrị na ha awụ aka ji ọfọ n'ọcha n'ọzọ ya ụmụ iti mpacha akwụ ọ ife ha wụ mmadụ pụta na Facebook ọ na-ezuzugharị ụwa niile a na-elele the other time ha si na-eje dọkpụta ozu mmadụ onye nye authority ịmụkụ laịsensị a na-eje wota bifo mmadụ wee run on mortuary. Nyaki asini je bozu mmadụ bụrụ ozu mmadụ dike biago pụọ ya somewhere where people are living around. A na-ekwu ha ncha niile ọwụrụ okwu. Okay, Chris Ngige bịa bukọrọ ndị aka ji ọfọ niile nọ n'Ọkịja mgbe a mechie arụsị Ọkịja mgbe a kere ife arụsị Ọkịja megorie sinsi ahụ. Kere ife alụsị Ọkịja megorie sinsi ahụ. Isi na alụsị Ọkịja meluye o ji wee lose election. Ịghọtago? Can you tell me ife melu Ambode of Lagos jigarechi second term? Alụsị ndị Nkelefi. Can you tell me ife kpatara Andy Uba ji wee lose Senate to Ifeanyi Uba? Alụsị ndị Nkalago. Can you tell me this House of Rep member onye YPP win na court shopie? Alụsị ndị Abagana. Keri ife melu kelafa governor kelafa nke Imo State ya ọnwa win na court. Emeka Ihedioha. Yes, okay, Wilfred Franklin said, I can remember that day you made a video about that shrine. Does it mean that you got information from someone or what? My brother, just like I said, ndị mmadụ negara ife anyị na-ekwu na peji anya onye ahụ ebe anya manya mo ọkwa gachi keti na video ebe o sere from play n'ọrụ na ọgba n'ọsọ sukelana ka anyị na-ahụzọba Galadima ka mmanụ mmụọ chiri ihe ọzọ sukelana ka anyị na-ahụzọba ya nke ndị aka ha dịkwa n'ọcha ka aka wee kpala eze kudene ka o wee kwonye chiri ọzọ ọnwụrụ na-alụsị Okija melu na Chris Ngige luzuru na court Peter Obi wee tekie over alụsị ndị Ihiọma ka alụsị ndị Ebenebe mere eme ka ihe dị ọha ji wee luzuo Hope Uzodimma wee baa as the governor of Igbo State. Okay, ka alụsị Okija ahụ meziri Chris Nwebeze Ngige daa as governor court wopie kelee ebe alụsị ahụ nọ o wee win o jebe senate ka ọ zọchara senate win o nọcha first time na senate zọọ another one daa kelee ebe alụsị ahụ nọ e wee mee ya minister for youth and employment ka ọgụrụ kelee ebe that same alụsị nọ. You see, it is a very simple question to show you that na onwelozi ife fa na-eme ebe ahụ nwere isi because they have desecrated that land. What I don't know is why a town dị ka Okija ya esi wee nọrọ. Ụdị ife dị otu a na-emebefa. That is one thing. Yeah, Minister of Labor and Employment, Omadalo. Ifo gosirigo wuna na ifo wuna na-eme ife baha pụọ na why the RC no stop am from being a minister. It is very clear because no nya wonye izikwu ile alụsị Okija ha aka n'anya. Yes, Tafa Balogun was the then IG of police storm of that place where they are one in media. Let me tell you people, ikuku kayeku adaya Akwa Okuko okulu jogu we filisi ikuku kayeku adaya Okuko government ye mecha clear the whole of that forest able alụsị ahụ nọ. Lawyer either a government hospital or what local government does or what secretariat or what psychiatric hospital or one government facility that place or you move kolo n'anya or you move kolo n'anya unu na-eme alụ n'ala Igbo ị na-encourage ụmụazị ifuru ebe akwụna alatu gogono na-asị n'afọ onye awa onye a unu ejesi na ya asa na ọ na-eme enye ya asa mgbadakwụ ụgwọ osi na ego adrọpụ na omego ya onye nke mbụ mee ya onye nke mbụ aka ji ọfọ na-encourage wayo mana o debere ahụ na oji ọfọ o ji agbata onye gwuru wayo. How possible? Kele alụsị na alụ dị ọlụ a kele alụsị ịya asị m na alụsị a na-asị ndị mmadụ ji ebute wayo na the same alụsị ahụ na-emekwa onye gwuru wayo bịakwa na alụsị ahụ o nweta justice. I expected the prestigious people of Okija to look deeper into the activities of those people desecrating that shrine. No quiet and a malo bono and a bear to mother and Alice. Monday I bought a child wow from Alice. Really? Monday I bought a child wow from Alice. Near that money. Phew. Really? It is very bad and it is very sad. Ebunu ya funde bụ atụrụ na nke ikpeazụ a ezugokwurie. Ebunu ya funde bụ atụrụ na nke ikpeazụ a shrine eke hit sealed alụsị Okija sealed. More will follow suit. Jiki anakatara ngafu ugboro ole selo na ma amaghị ife karịrị obi Okongwu dibịa ji wee gbapụ ọsọ ngụnwa nọrọ. Kedu ife karịrị obi? You have to wait until ndị operation Udo ga-adị enter Okija before iwe gbawa ọsọ. Iwe makpuo plane ozugbo vum ịka anọrọ. Ịbata na comment section maybe akwu na ọ na mmụọ mmiri ayege mmụọ mmiri ka dọrọ ụnụ mma. Ife njisi na mmụọ mmiri ka ụnụ mma ọ na mmụọ mmiri ma na Nnewi ka ọ nọ. He knows he cannot even mess up this way. All these people say mess up n'ụmụ obodo agasị enewe ha ndụ. He knows better n'obodo ọ nọ na Nnewi. He knows better. That is why ne na-afụ ka o si eme nke ha dịrị ha yes efu ya ebe oje na mmiri. Ugbo ole ka ịfụta n'ala ebe mmụọ mmiri na-emekasị ụmụ ife akwa ha na-eme na Nnewi ka ọ ya eme ya mee na Nnewi ka Nnewi bụ elu nwere ife eji wee malụ ntọ na Nnewi. Nnewi nwere ife eji wee mee ntọ na Nnewi. He cannot do all those kind of things ọ na-eme ebe ahụ ha yes efu ya ebe ọ nọfere ụmụ okorobịa na-enye ha advice ọ na-eme ihe ọ na-alụzi nke ọ na-alụ anyị a na-afụ nke ọ na-egosi anyị o wee na-alụzi ndị ọ na-alụ. Ha dịrị ka ị ya afụ ebe mmụọ mmiri nọ n'ebe dụka na-asị na ọ na-ekechi agwụ na ọ na-eme nke a na ọ na-asị ndị na-egwu wayo jee na nke ahụ ka e wee jide mgbada ma ọ ifu ya ebe oje pikcha onye ọcha debedebe ma ọ ifu ya ebe ha dịrị ka ị ya afụ ebe mmụọ mmiri afụrụ anya na-eme ya maka ọma nọ na Nnewi ka ọ nọ. Ọ atị akwụta of ife akwa na atị n'ọba. Nnewi agbanyere ya fim odede ọmanụ na Nnewi nwere ntọ na eji wee manụ Nnewi. You cannot mess up na Nnewi n'ọrụ na-achagharị anya. Egwu aha tụrụ onye chiwerughị ọsọ nya ka obodo dụka Okija bụ Obi Jackson bụ Etosi Oye bụ Igwe Tenten na ndị otu ya n'ọrụ pichie anya anọrụ bụ ụnụ na-eme ikwurikwu alụ. Dibịa nọ n'Okija lụrụ 500. Omegho ka bụ ụnụ wụrụ London. Almost ọkada niile nọ n'Okija na-alụ ọrụ with one nwa dibịa ọdịọna. Omegho ka bụ ụnụ wụrụ obodo oyibo. Ụnụ nnọrụ adịghị mma alụ n'okpuru ụnụ. Ọnụ anyị aka dị ile n'Okija. In fact, ndị operation Udo ga-adị supposed ịbata Okija nwee ọfịs ha supposed inwe head office ha n'Okija ka ha enwe head office ha n'Okija sizie n'Okija na-eje ọrụ ebe ndị ọzọ rụọ kampụ biri n'Okija ebiri maka Anabunu neediri total cleansing. If unu decide na ụnụ anyị eji aka unu nnukwu obodo dịka Okija ịghọtago. So if truly na-esere Okija shrine, it is a welcome development, welcome to 100%. Unu na-ekpe ikpe high court tụọnụ Buhari na-alụsị ụnụ ahụ, tụọnụ Tinubu na-alụsị ụnụ ahụ. Yes, mma eweta efi na-abụ a ga-eji wee tụ Tinubu na-alụsị ụnụ ahụ. Ọwụ na ntụ osi achị Naijiria mara mmanya dụ ndụ, ọwụ na ntụ osi achị Naijiria adụghọ mma alụsị jewe ọgụ. Mma eweta efi na-abụ weta ife niile dị involve ma in fact sị gbaa mkpọna na sị gbapụrụ ya mkpọna na 700 ma ọ mkpọna na 1000 ka m wee tụọ ya na alụsị. Ohi anya ọcha ka unu si etu a na-egbusisi ụmụazị be anyị all in the name of n'ụlọ na-atụ na alụsị, na-egbusisi ụmụazị be anyị. Mekwa vidio ụbọchị ọzọ na-atụ mmadụ na alụsị ka mmadụ onye nye pawa ikpe ikpe, onye wayo na-ekpe ikpe wayo, onye ohi na-ekpe ikpe ndị ohi, ogbu mmadụ na-ekpe ikpe ndị na-egbu mmadụ. Mekwa vidio ụbọchị ọzọ tinye na Facebook nsị na-atụ mmadụ na alụsị ka anyị mara onye chiwelu ọzọ ka anyị mara onye nyere gị ikike ide egwusisi ụmụazị be anyị na-adọkpụrụ ozu ha na-adọra n'ebe ahụ nna anọ ma amụrụ na akpa simenti ka ọnụ na-akpụ ma hiwe ya akwa ịgwachakwa waja asịrị na akpa simenti ka ha na-edebe na nwere onye na ife ahụ abụrụ ozu mmadụ ọ wụrụ wayo skin ka a na-egwu ụmụazị be anyị n'anya ọcha because na ụmụazị be anyị adịgo desperate. None of them wants to work. They want to drive Lexus Jeep without working. They want to ride on a private jet without working. Nke do 16 years they lose go hope. Oya patazie go nya o lose go hope. You will ask yourself, can even 20 years you lose go hope nke do desperate? Ije commit a crime do ke tonto. 20 years or even what to go and up ego. Yeah? What to 20 years? When to 20 years? Can even Nigeria when to 20 years? Not even 20 years. Yeah? 2 years after a battle general age in Kenya, no was the female area jenga. Mazena choose go because Nandi Biagwakofa. You don't even need to do anything. Instead of money, that's the actual capital or a business. Or natural capital or a bleed. Makado bleed, it are capable of each and a mado. Boyle go na bazinko. Bionya. Mowo. Ibru hit out over. Ibeto no kato. Oh, one day, so there were 50 million. Ma ofu onye nọ ilu onwe somewhere imere ihe ọrụ weda onye mego onye ego wee si n'elu wee na-ada unu bụ iri chukwu aka n'anya too much o wee binie n'iwe. Yes, unu bụ onye unu challenge God too much, unu gara too far. So onye iberibe na-asị na chukwu adọrọ ọha anyị sụrụ ya n'oyiwo so onye iberibe na-asị na chukwu adịghọ mana in this generation ka ndị mmadụ biliri wee meghepụ ọnụ wee na-asị na chukwu adịghọ wee dalụ nwa nke mmadụ wee kọtọọ mechaa kpọọ ma Virgin Mary akwụna wee hifu na-emero ụnụ kpara ebe ewu si efu unu mere alụ unu wee mụ ụmụazị be anyị ha wee hapụ egwu Chineke wee mebe alụ. Mgbe ụmụaka na-eto n'egwu Chineke ekwugo ya nwata nọrọ nnake n'ime ụlọ ime ife ọjọọ a na-atụ ya egwu omegodo ife ọjọọ conscience ya pịagido yetara ụfọdụ okwuchapụ ya. Ndị Katọlik ka ya afụ an adult nje omere pịakata yetara o jee n'ihu fada jee mee confession kpọọnụ ndị fada kịta ajụọ ha mmadụ one n'ime fa na afụkwa number of people na-abịa confession before mmadụ one na afụkwa ndị na-abịa confession ndị a Matthias na ndị otu succeeded n'ime our people had hardened in committing crime, believing that they owe nobody any accountability because in their own dictionary there is no God anywhere. Live your life the way you like. Woman, Suwohi, baby Fanny Nebe, Uwelu Yamaniki, baby Benua, and more Gayagago. The mother will say, or if a melu, so if a G. Anna Wari, wipe and pay, or jockey G. The high rate who masses a wunda, or masses a wunda, or you work as a boy and wine, or your wife is a boy working. And then told him mother, out of this year, mother, you mother, a book as a mother cano, as the dome as a pike can go. The by where anu bini more family mad without conscience. Where will be fat? Waiting as so because now the only thing on the mother na tuebu. An adult. An adult. Ya no le tua. One atuebu makamu nko half one yamano na fear. an adult. Also mmụọ ahụ ha afụ anya mana mmụọ ahụ na-afụ ya nwere ike ime an adult o mee ezigbo ife ma ọ mechi ife ọjọọ ọ na-enwe mwute maka na o mejogo mmụọ ọha afụ anya. Ịghọtago? Now I am asking you, maka ndị na-ajụ kelee ebe Matthias si wee mejọ ife na-ekwu kịta ọ dị very clear. Matthias gwara ụmụazị be anyị biri irenụ ndụ otu o si wee masị ụnụ na o nwere ife dụka eluigwe na Chukwu adụrọ na Baịbụl wu fake na Jesus Christ adịghị exist na ife ndọcha ji wee bịa gbuo anyị wayo. Live your life as you want. O nwere ebe olukworo ọsị nwaanyị gụọ jee buru tigbuo mana ndụcha n'iyi okpu ka ị ghara ibute ọrịa were aṅụrị. Ụmụazị be anyị wee sị oo so na-egwuli ka eji ife eyi anyị. O nwere onye nke batalụ program mụ o wee sị m na anyị ka na-ebi ndụ ka ndị nọ n'agbụ ezugo si n'ebe ụka nọpụta ka ịfụ what it feels to have freedom. I began to reason them. When this guy refers to freedom, what does he really mean by freedom? I asked him that question. Osemo bia bendocha. No na mbia bendocha. Ma for what it means to live a free lifestyle. I now ask myself, is this not the same thing Donald Trump is trying to do now to bring limitation to that freedom that made in Docha? What a no 70 years ago at Owolego. Bata, every man to Juru, Bouncy and the man. Is it not that same freedom, Melu? The America Jewessy, Mokeroja, J. Wadia, Mokibe, one you know, J. Wadia, one Ibe, Noriano Bateluno. Is it not that same freedom? Kaide Kumake. Is it not that same freedom? Ufodo Bodo Jewessy, Eche no animal, good no animal, Napas animal, Iko. Is it not that same freedom? Kade Pope. Is it not that freedom that gave freedom to all sorts of immorality? All these things we feel are we name. Go na your conscience and now, buddy. Take away that gospel. It is freedom. You do it even in a name and zuzo. They now want freedom to be doing it in physical. Share this video. I want you to know that they can never want this message to go far. Share this video. Make sure you share this video. Always click on like and love. Always click on like and love. Always click on like and love. I've always told people, it is only Iberibe that will come against that book called Bible. Yes. It is only Iberibe that will come against that book called Bible. Go and read the book, Things Fall Apart. Majority of the things found in that book is an imaginary story, but it has a lesson. Go to Chike and the River, an imaginary story, it has a lesson. Go and read all those novels. They are all imaginary stories. Some of them are fictions, and yet they have a lesson you will learn at the end of it. Emeka Wanasiri, most of us here are bringing our kids back home. This place is really Sodom. Good. That is because of this freedom they are talking about. They have tried everything, Bendosha, to suppress that gospel. That is why your son or your daughter cannot have respect. He will respect again. What I'm going to what I'm going to what I'm it is in the ife. Mwezi di nuku kwa. Eya mbake ya balo mnegoti we kugu wanile niti na ife. Ewele se ya bada. Uwe fuko na ado. Bana Matthias happy. One day by Live your life like there's no tomorrow, because there's no judgment after all. There is nothing like that. Go and Igbo mother about where judgment you will. Bible will say. If you can read Chike and Deliver, if you can read Things Fall Apart, and you can still reference on every single word that Okonkwo said, while you are addressing people on some issues, trying to teach them some lessons based on the book Things Fall Apart, can you tell me any chapter of the Bible that doesn't have a lesson to learn? Tell me one chapter. Can you tell me why a sane man and a sensible man will ever come after that word called the Bible? I keep saying, even if you are not reading it or teaching it to your children to make heaven, can you teach them so that they can be principled and be well cautioned? Can you use it to teach them good morals? It will help them in these stages of life. At least we will have sensible generations. I have said it countless times. I have done it and said, here the light of Africa. Can you tell me one good reason why you are coming after that gospel? When everything, it has always respect your father and your mother so that your days will be long. Eguna mano, Akwa Okuko, Amanama, Megidonia, Matobigo, blah 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 blah. Even in that, can you tell me if I don't job Bible by you mepe? What me if I don't Bible by you mepe? If there is nothing of such, can you tell me why some people will sleep and wake up and tell you, the Bible? The Bible exists. Does it even matter? Does it even matter if it exists or not? The fact is that there are so many gospels there that is capable of transforming somebody into being a better somebody. Somebody doka, a beldamina. Angel Udebu. First, the Bible said, okay, can you even tell me one good reason why I should not even listen to the word of the Bible when every single thing the Bible has said has come to pass? So, if this Bible is really a storybook, then the people who wrote this book, they deserve to be given the highest trophy of all time. But because it seems like they have seen the world from the beginning, they have gone through this world, and they have really gotten to the end of this world before they wrote that book called Bible. Because this Bible was written more than how many centuries away, and the time in the generations of our father, some things did not happen. In the generations of our grandfathers, some things did not happen. It happened in the days of our fathers. The ones that did not happen in the days of our fathers are happening today in our own days. Vice versa. That is to show you that if you are wise enough, you will know that that book is more than just an ordinary book. And those people are definitely more than humans. If you can say that Chinua Achebe is super knowledgeable, he is more like a wizard. If you can say that Chiko Obi is more like a walking calculator, and you respect them, you give them all how deserve well, it means that somebody who actually wrote this Bible according to you must be the highest philosopher of all time that has ever lived, the highest psychology that has ever lived, the highest sociologist that has ever lived. because he was able to predict what will happen in 1,000,000 years and compress it into a book, and it is unfolding one after the other. Every single thing up to this generation and the next generation to come has all come, and so I am happy at the news that is coming out from Anambra State. Sincerely speaking, click on like and love. Share this video. This video now upset a lot of demons in so many people. Do not, I said, do not relax thinking that many people are enjoying it as much as you are enjoying it. Click on like and love and make sure that you share this video. I am very happy at the news, Anambra State, especially the one from Okija. Very importantly, now I am telling people like Matthias and his likes. I am very happy that of recent he has reduced in the way he has reduced, because no man will go. You want to go? All man government go, and I don't think he will like to draw unnecessary attention to himself. You want to go? I am happy that on a busy more of sharing, and he is not doing more of talking. You want to go? Unlike what we see before, it will still get to their table. Go and write what I am saying now. Go and write it down. You want to go? Nobody has signed in their own law today. Wilfred, because Kelu law and then no be signed. Ntena come on, because a minute. Okay. Sorry no for Wilfred Biko, very importantly. In order go tag Yameba, I really want to see it. There is a revolution. There is a revolution going on. You want to go? There is a revolution. Keroye deliver. Keroye the church made people to be comfortable with doing evil, since they know they will be forgiven by just a mere 5 minutes confession before a priest. Thank God the better shade the same. Do you even think before always commenting? Yeah. Thank God that somebody said, do you even think before commenting? Look, Gulu, let me tell you, Gulu. Let me tell you, Gulu. My prayer, the prayer I am praying for you always, is that God is going to teach you a bitter lesson through your children. You will cry. Wait for the kind of monster you want to raise by this nonsense in every day. It is my prayer for you. It is my prayer for you. God may not necessarily use government as a tool to teach you a bitter lesson, but He can teach you a bitter lesson through churches. I know how people like you learn. Without church, since over 2 years, can you count how many times you have apologized to somebody? Without the church teaching people what forgiveness is, do you think a single person can do that? If the language you understand is always vengeance, who is even perfect? Who is even going to be tolerating each other? I am asking you, good, since you think you are wise. Just within the last 3 weeks, do you know how many people you have said, I am sorry to? What if God, Bible, did not teach us the concept of forgiveness? What if God did not teach us the concept of forgiveness? How else are you going to understand the fact that you are not perfect? That Native Mother said, cast a stone. Yes, that you may not even cast that stone because you know that you are as well guilty of that Then there is government. Government on their own made a law where every cases can be addressed, still based on that forgiveness. Upon the day of the judgment, they still have it in their mind to forgive, and they withdraw that case, giving that person the chance to go and make an amend. You can never overemphasize on the importance of that particular message. In fact, that message of forgiveness from the scripture gave hope to the world. It is even the reason that maybe you are living today, or maybe the reason why I am living today. Because you are unforgivable. A lot of things they way people are you not aware? Even the simplest thing you can look at it and say this is common. Imagine what it will look like if there is no part of that message that talks about forgiveness in the scripture. Imagine what will be happening. But he make madi ife do capable of madi with a man I am sorry or soft woman forget if he within a twinkle of an eye. Nyaka guru the only message without wrong why you will crucify the church and the body of Christ for the second time. Where will the message of forgiveness? Today. Are you not aware? No, because of that message of forgiveness today. Are you not aware? Do you know how many people you have stepped on their toes even without you asking for their forgiveness by yourselves? They heard that message elsewhere. It appealed to their soul and they've even forgive you even before without you asking for forgiveness. Are you not aware? Sometimes when you talk, I will be imagining, is it an adult talking or is it, let me not go that far. Let me not go that far. You should be happy. You should be happy when one old man, may his soul rest in peace, that if a man on you made interview, that man will say, today. We are coming from the era of instant judgment. The moment the man made it feels go to any jofia, maybe if do to then come a message that gives people hope. No, you don't need, it's not everything that you have to condemn somebody. Sometimes give people chance to make a change, and that is the reason why till today a lot of people do very it almost now their family lose go hope they behano, but for the sake of giving people a second chance, those people are wanna pick somebody in their society today. Man, all know the message of forgiveness and tolerance at the whole. I came a long time ago. Because I even know. All know with that message at the whole, there won't be chances for that person to make an amend. There won't be chances for that person to have an opportunity to change, to be a better somebody. I don't know if that message of forgiveness is still ringing a bell in your ear, because you have always said this, you have always said this, you have always said this. Are you even perfect? Do you not know when it will message handle from people, or conversation handle from people, or movie how watching it, and they saw where that message appeal to their soul. I know sometimes when you keep saying these things, I can understand that some people who do wicked don't. Yes, of course, Oyibo people forgive. Oyibo people actually forgive. Yes, don't ask a naive question here. Oyibo people forgive. They give pardon. Every single thing I make in the land of Africa here, no shall they make. Yes. What are you telling me? When I want you ocha, onye ba ibugido wayo. Mgbe nwanyị a ji wee chọpụta na onye ahụ wayo ka ọ na-egwe, o wee all that guy o wee say, I have forgiven you na wayo ndị gburu m egwu. Stop this work you are doing. Take that money and go and become useful to yourself. Have you not heard about these stories? Have you not heard about Eben Dochanyelu Mando pardon? Have you not heard about it? Have you not heard about ebe nwaanyị onye ọcha mmadụ gburu the only son onwelu? Olu na the day of the judgment, the woman nọ na court of law wee gwa the guy, I have forgiven you, I hope you will find peace. Have you not heard about it? Eh? Every day of ndocha hayo for forgiveness. Every day ndocha hayo for forgiveness. Ndocha they wave a lot of people debt to Haji. Forgive them and wave that money for them. Give them waiver. Guru, you are still backward. You are talking like somebody who be into very dark. Yes. And the people when he can do as wicked as well. Also, when the man got convicted, one hand, even as a Enugu bishop came with forgiveness. Meaning what? So there are not people being convicted in Nigeria here. Is that what you are telling me? So there are not people, if go are convicted go in Nigeria, in our prison yard, or and them that are scattered in their prison yard. This example in a does it even add up anywhere? Sometimes that sound so naive, and you, the worst problem you have is you constantly refusing to learn, even when it is clear that you don't know anything. It may showcase your ignorance or do so clear. You cannot even convince me. As empty, you cannot convince me. Because when you talk, you want to give example with the Ekwereman. Do you know how many people the judges have pardoned? Do you know how many people? Go to the TV channels and watch that man on your YouTube. Watch that judge in traffic laws. Traffic laws are different. Careful. Sometimes people do honest or forgive where. Sometimes or forgive Vonya because Nonya is a veteran soldier. Sometimes or forgive Vonya because Nonya is a sometimes or forgive Vonya because Nonya with a lot of pressure. Sometimes or forgive Vonya because Nonya undergo rehab and the Nonya they improve. There are so many bases soldier forgive people. The same thing will only they follow law court in Dosha. Sometimes if you admit being guilty without habagari, they cut down your sentence or they even pardon you depending on the case in committee. You come here to come and share your ignorance for us. You call him back share. It do very wicked. Guru, let me tell you, change your ways. It do very wicked. And the people like you do this kind of wicked. Yes, people like you do very wicked. Look at you. The only problem even in the Bible, no can they preach forgiveness. Is that not showing people how wicked some of you do? You can even keep poison because forgiveness is not in your dictionary. Look at you. And then they do make a way on our committee every minute and every day. But you think you know it all. Look at you. Bidding pardoned many before leaving the office. Happier? Bidding pardoned many before leaving the office. Oyanwe, very wicked somebody. Very wicked and hardened. No wonder when you are talking, somebody can decode your mind from the word in a day. Because I'm so hard. Forgiveness is not in your dictionary. Look at you. Committee every minute. And you think that without forgiveness, don't do. I am asking you, Guru. Do you think that without that provision of forgiveness, now Africa a whole a surviving story in Nigeria will that? I am asking you. Do you know how many people you offend with your words, with your action? You shall not say Zulohi. In fact, all the whole people within the last 2 months or 3 months. Tell me one person owohi ozuru ka oji wewu. Tell me nwoke buje fuel wee wuo nwunye enwe ya ọkụ. Ọwụrụ na onwe spirit of forgiveness and tolerance ọ ya wu fuel a. Onye nke bujisiri nwunye ya aka wụrụ na onwe spirit of forgiveness and tolerance ọ ya ebuchisi nwunye ya aka. Onye nke buje acid wuo mmadụ ọwụrụ na onwe spirit of tolerance and forgiveness. Onye nke batalube mmadụ busisi ụmụ ya niile tụkọ ya ụmụazị na fridge. Ọwụrụ na onwere ife onye ọbịa bụ ọba ahụ n'ebe ụmụ ya nọ merụ ihe o wee wụrụ na forgive ihe ọ ya abịa bụ ụmụ ya. I am asking you, stop sounding so naive. Remember being on a Facebook, and a lot of people are watching you, in case if you don't know. So if you like, take your huge appetite if you dey malo, wolie, na Bible, karate, na choka. You are exposing yourself for the world to see. And through this Facebook, you will still meet your judgment somewhere. It is not me who will judge you. It is still you who will walk into an office. Somebody will remind you a conversation like this. It is still you who will go and commit nonsense somewhere. And when you say, please, I'm sorry, I will not do it again. Somebody will remind you of this particular conversation. Yes. It is still you who will fail to do something you are supposed to do. Sorry. Somebody will remind you of this conversation. Now I need to stop wasting my time with you. I am only doing this because I am already rounding up. You want to go? It is because I am rounding up. If not, why will I even give you audience? Sometimes you always sound like a broken record. And you put in anti, you want to go? So, if you don't give attention, man, I should go around off my program. So, I will do another program tomorrow. Stay tuned. You want to go? Every single thing we have been saying, we fought tirelessly for what is happening today. And I am happy that in my own time, I am witnessing what is happening. Okija Shrine. Eke hit yo. Matthias and do to ye. Padoveno. The clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. Oga Hulukwa. I will remind you people. Wulunga we malo. Now yeah, pass the time na Facebook. We are not wasting time here. It's unfortunate that people think that we are wasting time here. I don't get paid on Facebook here. Facebook doesn't pay me. Guess if you don't know. Facebook doesn't pay me. There are people who are here for specific assignment. And that assignment is what we are doing. And that message and that gospel must continue. I'll see you people tomorrow morning. Stay tuned tomorrow morning. And I name a program. They share this video. People that matters are listening to us. Government are listening to us. They are paying attention to us. And go if you're going to Mataya Senako. Go if you're going to Mataya Senako. You know what I go? Go if you're going to Mataya Senako. Ono potano na Antichrist Bible kulu. Ono we rise ya di bazo. The Bible say no ye ekweta ho ebe isi. Mo wa atara ya afofo. I follow patoli me mana thank God ni iwu anorugo because ewu pi iwu no n'obodo. Ono ya de mo onye kwuji already ebe mmadu kwugolu afọ onye Bible na-ezi ozioma ewulokwute tuwe. What else do you think would the story of that Antichrist Bible kwuru? Ebe anyị atagido mmadụ afụfọ until deny so Christ. Is that not what you people want to start doing now? No onye afụrụ bụ Bible ma onye afụrụ na-ezi ozioma ewulokwute tuwe. Mmadụ kọmentịrị ya, mmadụ one na one kọmentịrị ya. iwe gwa na ọ bụrụ na ọ bụrụ maka iwu na-achị obodo a nọ na ya karịbene out wee sị m na Baịbụl na-ekwu okwu asị ọ sikwuru kama okwu ihe anyị abịa na mmezu ka eluigwe n'ụwa gabiga kama okwu ihe anyị abịa na mmezu ka eluigwe n'ụwa gabiga. You have always talked about fake dibias, so no way the dibia dead or real. Those dibias dead or real or man-made power or spiritual power. When you people have constantly said that there is nothing like spirituality, that everything in this world happened physical. Kerife dibia hodore runeme o ike guru ko ji alu olu o ike mo nso ko ji alu olu ko ike onye ko ji alu olu. You people are the most confused set of people in Fugol. Onye anakona bad the east, onye anako west, onye anako bago, onye akolobada, onye akolobwa zigzag, onye abalaga triangle. Ani anata cho if I hate collide do fuebe. You are referring to you, Matthias Waja has always talked against fake dibias. So no way in the dibia do real. Oh no, we in the real because anything we're fake we're real. Now do real. Keri ke faji alwolo, ike mado ko wike chuku. I'm asking you. O wike mado ko wike chuku ka haji alwolo. Ajonga do sanya. Or no spiritual power ka haji alwolo. Yeah? She does the agochuku, it will happen. It will happen. The real dibia or wike chuku ko wike mmadụ ko ji arụ ọrụ. A lot of you exposed shall wono since you will be arrest when they want dibia. I arrest ha akwa. A lot of you banisia I wefwebe your solidarity and your faith lie. Or banisia. Or we suppose your moon preach that government to take it up. Does it matter where they start or where they will end? What matters is that they have started from somewhere. I will not bring you in. Okay, be back, come back if you motor na banana, come back if you motor na banana. Now sound like a broken record. If we put you Kugaria, more ball on the Mabana, Waja, or Bachigata. Even na Bataria can be a what am I bringing you in here to come and do? In a preach against fake dibia, they preach in anything look at spiritual powers. The pastor now operate through spiritual powers according to them. Nantulu Seku. The dibia now operate through spiritual powers. Hanchani Nekono they preach against. Government, Bidolo Fuzo, Ibebe Papa, saying, baby. What are you preaching? Yeah? Check message you change here. Man keep all away Father Angelo name. Everywhere. The pastor. If you go say one on the pastor and the church, what target you know? Because no one know a pastor can arrest him. He has CJ arrest when they want to be. You can never say it. Fadu nebu ye go to zero message. You say yes. No, if we fall nebu, he will not even talk about the DB at all. Or balances of Kenzie. We was yes, they fact only nebu since. But because no blood by who pay attention, who target you to baby dollar, who do the big disgrace won't go see one every day. Pastor, bishop, this, Ngwaworuzie phone kpondo operation udo gade. Tuolo haka ofu pastor na-eme ife iwu gọọmenti keta akwụsie mena yebe upon name will 5 million aye nye go you do 5 million naira richer. Ye be na Facebook, ye be photo, noise upon noise, another. Who is even listening to you? Or one bar for your day guarantee. A professor. There, he body bodo carry a dark working with group of experts. Both from police quarters, DSS and everywhere. You think they have not analyzed this matter before they came out? You think they did not do proper investigation before they came up with this exercise? Is that what you are having in that your score? What are you even thinking? I am asking you, what are you thinking? Yeah? Some of you do so blind the mananya, do blind the manisi. Manante ya no ife na keep as well. Ise na ha na ife. Ekweye emecha no wa kwelu ute ekwele. You want to go? Ekweye emecha no wa kwelu ute ekwele. Anokata nse Soludo ya no no kan ka me na Anambra. We started calling government a long time ago. Soludo ya no nke me na Anambra state. It's your law. Professor, rise up and do something. Anambra state is a state of elite and not a state of it is an elite state. Anambra state. Meet go to the world, go the world through the course of doing business. When their academic qualification take go around the world. When that call of take go around the world, we have it all in Anambra state. How can a mighty state in Anambra state sit down and watch the minority of illiterates and the minority of Umofeke drag the name of that mighty state into mud? Soludo we neche fa we kwe nisi we se mba nanka ayo mere anye nanka o ka Anambra state wo kwa obodo nde police onye nwere ofu anya ya wụla eze na obodo nke ezugbo si na-ewepụta Nnewi so n'ofu obodo dị n'ime Anambra steeti ya ka anyị hapụ ya ebe a maka na ndị kwuru okwu sị na eme ego taa eme ego echi ka anyị wee reserve nke anyị ekwu n'ụtụtụ echi maka na okwu juru anyị ọnụ and anyị ekwu chọsta ncha Chukwu aka n'ihu ma anya dọba. Thank God na o visit ha into so we visit Sodom and Gomorrah. Abalị amala anyị mma.